Imagine if, in just 3 days, your life could feel calmer, more focused, and more in control. 7 simple habits, practiced daily, could be all it takes to shift everything. You might feel stronger, more resilient, and clearer about what matters most. Sounds impossible? Give these habits a chance and watch what happens. In life, we all want to feel more in control, happier, and fulfilled. But change often feels overwhelming, and we don't know where to start. Imagine if you could begin to see a real difference in just 3 days. In this video, we'll explore 7 simple habits inspired by Stoic philosophy that have the power to bring clarity, peace, and purpose to your life. These aren't complex rituals or drastic changes. They're small, intentional steps that can set you on the path to transformation. Try them for 3 days and you might be surprised at the shift you feel. Let's dive in and start building a better tomorrow, one habit at a time. Habit 1. Morning mindset reset. When you wake up in the morning, the first few minutes set the tone for your entire day. But too often, we start our mornings with stress, diving right into our phones or thinking about all the things we need to get done. Instead, let's try something different, a simple morning mindset reset. As soon as you open your eyes, before reaching for your phone, take a moment to set a clear intention for the day. Close your eyes for just a few seconds, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, what's one thing I can do today to make my life better? It doesn't have to be anything big. It could be something as small as focusing on staying calm, being kind, or putting in your best effort at work. Whatever you choose, make sure it's something meaningful to you. This habit of setting a daily intention helps focus your mind on what truly matters. Instead of letting your day control you, you start the day with purpose. And this small practice, repeated each morning, can have a huge impact on your mindset. By committing to a morning mindset reset, you're giving yourself the chance to be intentional about your actions, to take control of your thoughts, and to focus on something positive right from the start. It's like giving yourself a mental boost before the day even begins. Try it out for the next 3 days and see how it changes your perspective. This small habit can make each day feel more purposeful and help you feel more centered, no matter what challenges come your way. Habit 2. The 5-minute physical boost. Starting your day with a little bit of movement can make a huge difference in how you feel. Think of it as a quick wake-up call for both your body and your mind. And don't worry, this isn't about doing a full workout or pushing yourself to exhaustion. It's simply about getting your blood flowing and telling your body, hey, it's time to wake up and get going. Here's what you can try. As soon as you get out of bed, spend just 5 minutes moving. This could be some light stretching, a few yoga poses, or even a quick walk around your room. If you're outside, a short walk around the block is perfect. The idea is to ease into the day by warming up your muscles and boosting your circulation. This small habit works wonders because it activates your body's natural feel-good chemicals, endorphins. You'll feel more alert, energized, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. It's like giving your body a little burst of energy to start the day on a positive note. Plus, starting your day with movement sets a healthy tone, which makes it easier to stay active later on. You don't need any special equipment, and it doesn't have to be intense. A simple 5 minutes is enough. Think of it as a ritual that tells your mind, I'm ready for the day ahead. In just 3 days, you'll notice how much better you feel, physically and mentally. Try it, and let those 5 minutes set you up for a stronger, more focused day. Habit 3. The 10-minute knowledge hit. Imagine if you could get smarter every day by investing just 10 minutes into learning something new. That's the idea behind this habit, and it's simple but powerful. In our busy lives, it's easy to overlook the importance of learning. But what if, for the next 3 days, you dedicated just 10 minutes daily to expanding your mind? Whether it's reading a few pages of a book, listening to a podcast, or watching an insightful video, this small time commitment can make a big difference. Why only 10 minutes? Because it's easy to fit into any schedule, no matter how busy you are. It also helps build momentum. Once you start, you may find yourself naturally wanting to spend even more time learning. But those first 10 minutes are all you need to make it a habit. Learning for a few minutes each day keeps your mind sharp and gives you new ideas to think about. Plus, it has a way of boosting your confidence and motivation. You'll start noticing how good it feels to learn something useful, especially when you can apply it to your life. And the best part? In just 3 days, you'll already start to feel the effects. You'll have fresh insights, feel more inspired, and gain knowledge you can use to improve yourself. So, give it a try. Choose a topic you're interested in, set a timer for 10 minutes, and dive in. Just remember, consistency is key. Stick with it, even if it's just for 3 days, and see how much you can learn. This small, daily habit is a powerful way to shift your perspective and add a bit more growth to each day. Habit 4. Intentional breathing. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a busy day, and suddenly, stress starts creeping in. Maybe it's from work pressure, or perhaps there's just too much on your mind. When you feel the stress rising, take a moment to pause and breathe intentionally. It sounds simple, but this habit can completely change how you handle challenges. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, letting the air fill your lungs fully. Hold it for a second, then slowly breathe out through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, focusing on each breath. You'll notice that as you breathe slowly and deeply, your heart rate begins to calm down, and your mind becomes clearer. This is because deep breathing sends a signal to your brain that everything is okay, helping to reduce stress. Intentional breathing is a powerful habit that you can use anytime and anywhere. Whether you're at work, waiting in line, or dealing with a difficult conversation, this habit gives you a quick mental reset. It stops you from reacting emotionally or impulsively. Instead, it gives you a moment of calm, allowing you to approach any situation with a clear, balanced mind. In just 3 days of practicing this, you'll feel a difference. The next time something triggers your stress, take that deep breath before you respond. Notice how it helps you stay grounded and in control, even if the situation is challenging. This small habit can make a big difference, empowering you to face daily stress with a calm, steady mindset. Habit 5. The gratitude journal. One of the simplest yet most powerful habits you can adopt is keeping a gratitude journal. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to write down 3 things you are grateful for. These can be big or small, anything that brings you joy or makes your day better. It could be as simple as enjoying a warm cup of coffee, having a good conversation with a friend, or seeing a beautiful sunset. When you focus on the positive aspects of your day, you train your brain to look for the good in your life rather than dwelling on the negative. This shift in perspective can have a huge impact on your overall mood and outlook. By writing down what you're thankful for, you create a record of positivity that you can look back on whenever you need a boost. You don't need to write a lot. Just a sentence or 2 for each item is enough. Make it a habit to do this at the same time every day, like right before you go to bed. This routine will help you unwind and reflect on your day, setting a positive tone for your sleep. Over time, you may find that you start to notice more and more things to be grateful for throughout your day. This habit can help you develop a more positive mindset and reduce stress, making you feel happier and more fulfilled. So grab a notebook or use a notes app on your phone and start jotting down your 3 things each night. Give it a try for 3 days and see how it changes the way you think about your life. You might be surprised at the difference it makes. Habit 6. Digital detox block. In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the constant buzz of notifications and the never-ending scroll of social media. Habit number 6 is all about giving yourself a break from screens. The digital detox block. This simple practice can help you recharge and refocus your mind. Start by setting aside a specific time each day to unplug. This could be as little as 30 minutes or up to an hour, whatever works best for you. During this time, put your phone, tablet, and computer away. Find a quiet spot where you can relax without distractions. You might choose to sit outside, go for a walk, or simply enjoy a moment of silence in your home. The key is to break free from the digital noise. When you take this break, focus on activities that nourish your mind and body. You could read a book, journal your thoughts, or engage in a hobby you love. If you're feeling adventurous, consider trying a new activity like drawing, cooking, or even meditating. This time is about reconnecting with yourself and the world around you without the interference of screens. You might be surprised at how much clarity you gain during your digital detox. Many people find that stepping away from technology helps reduce stress and anxiety. After just 3 days of practicing this habit, you'll likely notice improved focus, better mood, and even stronger connections with the people around you. So, set your digital detox block, breathe deeply, and embrace the quiet. This simple habit can transform your days, allowing you to live more mindfully and joyfully. Give it a try and see how it changes your perspective on life. Habit 7. Visualization practice. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals and transform your mindset. It involves imagining your desired future in vivid detail. Every night, take a few minutes to practice visualization before you go to sleep. Find a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably or lie down, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to relax. Now, think about what you want in your life. This could be a specific goal, like landing your dream job, improving your health, or developing better relationships. Picture yourself already achieving that goal. See it in your mind as clearly as possible. What does it feel like? What do you see, hear, or even smell? Engage all your senses to make the experience as real as possible. For instance, if your goal is to run a marathon, visualize yourself crossing the finish line, feeling the excitement and pride wash over you. The key is to feel the emotions associated with your success. This emotional connection is what makes visualization effective. When you really feel like you've achieved your goal, your brain starts to believe it's possible. This can motivate you to take the necessary steps in your waking life to turn that vision into reality. Try to make visualization a daily habit. Doing it for just a few minutes each night can create a positive shift in your mindset. Over time, you'll notice that you're more focused, confident, and ready to chase your dreams. By consistently visualizing your goals, you align your thoughts and actions with what you truly want, paving the way for real change in your life. Now it's time for you to take action. I challenge you to try these 7 habits for just 3 days. That's right, only 3 days. It might sound easy, but you'll be amazed at how much of a difference these simple changes can make in your life. Start each morning with a positive mindset. Spend a few minutes moving your body, then take time to learn something new. Remember to practice intentional breathing whenever you feel stressed. At the end of the day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This small habit can truly brighten your outlook. Also, don't forget to take breaks from your screens. Spend some time unplugged, whether it's reading a book, talking to a friend, or enjoying nature. Finally, visualize your goals each night. Picture what you want in your life and feel the excitement that comes with it. This exercise can help keep you focused on what matters most. I want to hear from you. After 3 days, come back and share your experience in the comments. Let us know which habit was the easiest to adopt and which one had the biggest impact on you. Remember, it's all about small steps leading to big changes. So, are you ready to accept the challenge? Let's make these 3 days count and take a step toward a better you. As we wrap up, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you're excited to try these 7 habits over the next 3 days. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me reach more people who want to change their lives. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal growth and Stoicism. Join our community, and let's support each other on this journey. I can't wait to see you in the next video.